Hello, here is a short briefing regarding Island Park 2 project on Dubai Creek Island. Um, I want to share with you some background information about this building very quickly. All master community of Dubai Creek Island is built by MR, and MR from the beginning wanted to sell Island Park 1 and 2 to one private owner. And in 2023 it was sold um, to one investment company, to one entity. Now this private investment company, they want to resell, so they're reselling it, uh, Island Park 2 as unit by unit, and Island Park 1 by entire project, as a business model. Uh, so now very quickly about the location. You know that entire community, Dubai Creek Island is a master community of MR, and underground it has a parking, visitors parking for everyone. It's a free parking, and there will be never traffic and parking problem on this island. It's located in a very close proximity to downtown. It will be only 12 minutes to drive. It's 15 minutes from Dubai Airport, and only 3 minutes from Ras Al Khor Road. There are several very good international schools next to this area, in very close proximity. Within 10 minutes you can reach, and the entire community is almost finished by this time. There are only few plots under construction now. It's Creek Waters, Creek Crescent, and also there will be on the plot number 2, you can see there will be some commercial buildings. In the plot number 4, you can see it will be Island Park 1 and Island Park 2. The location is actually perfect. It's located just behind the address Harbor Point and on the edge of the Central Park. So in all directions, it has very nice views to the water, to the creek, to the skyline, and to the greenery of the park. Um, so if you can see, there are some high-rise buildings, but they don't obstruct the views to the water, because in between of these high-rise buildings there are some low-rise podiums for the basketball courts and for the swimming pools, and it doesn't obstruct the views for these two buildings. As you can see on the model, it has 4 floors podium for the parking and for the retail, and on this podium there will be amenities, separate amenities for each buildings. So it's only 10 floors of residential units, and for each tower it has separate amenities, unlike the other towers on Dubai Creek Islands, that normally 2 towers are sharing the same amenities. The podium has kids and adult swimming pool, landscape greenery, barbecue pits, and also on the first floor there will be well-equipped gym and multi-purpose room as well. You can see that from the podium you will be able to see the greenery of the park, but not people from the park will not be able to see what's going on the podium, because it's on the fourth floor, um, uh, four-floor height. Uh, Here also you can see how beautiful the Central Park will look like, and also you can see this is an example of a corner unit view. So the people will be able to see in between the high-rise building the beauty of Dubai skyline, of Burj Khalifa, and the creek itself. Here you can see that the entire length of the building um, will be able to see the water and Dubai skyline view um, uh, in between these high-rise towers of Address Harbor Point and the Grand. These are examples of interiors of the Island Park buildings. It has floor-to-ceiling windows. This is example of how the bedroom will look like, and most of the apartments will have a closed, open kitchen, not closed, and it all apartment will come unfurnished. Here is an example how the bedroom will look like. And I also want to explain a little bit of the floor plates. On the floors from second to sixth, it will be 17 units, but starting from seventh floor, the configuration will be changing each floor, and there are very many floor plates variations for one and two and three bedrooms apartment with big terraces that are overlooking to the park and to the creek. For example, on the 10th floor, you can see there are big terraces on the three bedrooms apartment that are overlooking to the park. And regarding the prices, you can see that one bedroom apartments are starting from 1.75, and the down payment will be from 1 million dirham. Why is that? Because the owner company already has been paying the installments for more than 1 year, and everything that already has been paid to Amar needs to be returned to the owner on the date of the deal, where the buyer will get Okud on their name. So by this time, they already has paid 60% of original price, and this amount should be returned along with the premium to the owner on the date of the deal. And 40% of original price will be paid to MR on handover date. That will be in April of next year, 2025. Here is a short comparison with the recent MR project that they launched recently, Arlo. And you can see that payment plan of Island Park is more relaxing because it will be 40% on handover. If compared to Arlo, they will be only 10% on handover. Also, handover will be much faster if compared to Arlo. And also, you can see that Arlo has 48 floors on the four-story podium, and our building has only 10 floors on the four-story podium. So you can imagine how much less people will be using the same amenities. And in terms of the prices, of course, the prices are much better for one bedroom apartment, and for a two bedroom apartment is like much better prices. And if you compare three bedroom apartment prices, you will see that in Island Park too, there are very good options. Um, Also, I added some examples of one bedroom typical floor plans and payment schedule. And here I want to explain you a little bit. For example, if selling price will be 1.875, the down payment will be 1.3 that will be paid to the owner on the date of the deal, and 550,000 will be paid on completion in April 2025. Um, Other payments that are not included to the selling price are also 4% DLD, of course, and 2% commission plus VAT, because it's a secondary deal, it's not from the developer. And also there will be trustee fee and NOC fees, total amount 10,500. Here you can see examples of two-bedroom floor plans and payment schedule. It will be the same. For example, if the two-bedroom apartment cost 2 million and 2.4 million, then 1.7 will be paid on the date of the deal, and 686,000 will be paid to MR on the handover date. Also, there are three-bedroom floor plans examples, and very quickly, I will tell about Island Park 1. It is for sale as a whole building and ready holiday homes or hotel business with expected 9.3 to 14.4 return of investment index, depending on the occupancy. Uh, it will has the same amenities that Island Park 2, and also it will come fully furnished and equipped by this investment company, by the owner, and maintenance company already has been appointed. So here you can see examples of numbers. For example, if daily rental will be 850 for one bedroom apartment, and for example 2000 daily for three bedroom apartments, with occupancy rate 60%, it will get um, 9.3 ROI. If occupancy rate will be 90%, it will get 14.4% net ROI. Price for the entire building of Island Park for 149 units is 355 million dirhams. Thank you for your attention, guys. I hope it was helpful. Contact me if you need any sales offer, any additional information. I will send you the marketing kit. I will send you the brochure, link to the brochure. Contact me if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a good day.